Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO interview tutorials, and today we came up with another topic that is related to count a function, but we will relate it with a BPO example. So you can consider this example for your calling process, email process, chat, voice, non-voice, wherever you want to use, because while doing the audits or while checking that how many parameter got marked down, that is common for all the process, I guess. But yes, the name would be different. There may be different parameters for this specific process. Okay, so before moving to the video, I would like to tell everyone, please share, subscribe the channel, click on bell icon so that you guys can get the notification. Check out our playlist. You will get a videos related to Six Sigma certification. You will also get video related to Excel tricks. You will also find video related to QA interview. And I would assure you guys, if you are going for any quality related interview and if you're watching my all the videos, you will for sure crack your interview, and I'm giving you this assurance. Please do check out. There are multiple videos on the basics, what we have seen in our daily work while working as a quality trainer or team lead. You may also find related to the TL and their KRAs. Many more videos are there. Check out the playlist, guys. You will get the best content. And if you seriously like the video, please click on like button, share button, and don't miss to subscribe the channel. So let's start today's concept, that is how to use count a formula, but we will relate this formula to our BPO example, and you guys can use it for any of the process, any of the work. Just understand how actually this particular formula work. Okay, so first we will relate it to a BPO example. For an example, I have a list of employees wherein there are 9 employees, and what I did, I am just doing the audits, and or else I'm a team lead, I'm checking that what is the scores for my particular specific team for the month of August. I want to check that, and I'm considering this data is of last week. Okay, I have seen that the team who is aligned to me, the 9 employees, they got this number of errors, and the quality person have done the markdown that the associate. For an example, considering this is one case ID or call ID, you can tell it as a call ID. Okay, so we are just giving an example here. On the basis of that, the audit was happened, and I'm giving the call ID name as 111 123 11. Simple. This is just an call ID, guys. You may have a different unique IDs. Okay, some people we may get transaction IDs also. So it totally depend process to process. And I have seen that for this particular, this is just an example, guys. You may have bulk of like thousands of entries. If you are checking out that for my particular team on August month, how many parameter got impact, how many times I got errors on call opening, how many times we got errors on empathy. If I want to check that specific details, I will use count a formula. So considering this, there is only 9 entries here. You may have for the 5 days, I believe, if a quality is doing 10 audits per day, you may get around 90 audits for your specific team for one particular day. And if you consider it for 5 days, there will be a 450 audits. So the data would be high, and it would be a difficult task for you guys to calculate manually that how many times the call opening got marked down for your respective team. Okay, so the formula is very easy. What you need to do, you just need to use a count a here, open bracket. See the below formula, I have clearly mentioned you need to use the formula count a, open bracket. You need to select the entire row. You can apply it in the entire column also. I will show you both. You can also apply it for the specific cells as well. So first of all, I want to check it for my entire row. If I would have a thousands of entries, what I'll just click on this C, so that I will get my answers here. Okay, sorry, I will again use it, count a, and I'm selecting my cells here. Okay, so see, I got my answer that 4 times for my particular team I got an error on call opening. Okay, same, I will just drag and drop this formula to all my parameters. Automatically I will get the rest details. So in this way I can easily judge that on which parameter I actually need to focus on and on which parameter my team need to work so that I can get a good score by the end of the August. So here, by looking to this data, I think I need to focus on hold procedure. My team is taking long hold. On that note, I also need to check the long calls for the associates. Like either my team is taking seriously long calls every time, either they are getting a long calls, or else they are just extending it, keeping the calls on hold for like 1 2 3 or like for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I need to focus on tagging. I need to focus on resolution also. So this is just an example, guys. At the end, I will say, if you have like 20 parameters and you got certain result that how many errors got marked down, you just apply a Pareto here. It would be an easy task, guys. How you can do that to check like how many parameters you need to focus on? Just copy that cell here and you just do values and transpose. And what I'll do, the final answer what I have received, okay, I'll just, so this is formulated actually. So if you directly copy paste here, right, and if you do same again, paste special, you will get this option here for paste special. Okay, or else you can do right click and okay, wait a minute, let me copy it again. Okay, copy, right click, and if I'll do here paste special, values and transpose, which means I'll get in a this particular way. So see, I did here paste special, that is the reason I got the correct answer. If I directly paste it, I'll get only 1 1 1 here, because this is copy pasting the formula, but I just want a values from it. That is the reason I will use paste special here. So right click, okay, right click, paste special. I just want only values, not formulas. Transpose. So I got this answer. Then what I'll do, I'll just do sorting. I'll do largest to highest. I got my all the parameters. I'll just give heading here like parameter, parameter. I'll give defect count, or I can say markdowns, defect count or markdown, whatever you want to give, and just give border and color to it. And here you can apply your Pareto, CF and CF percentage, and you can apply the Pareto here. I hope you guys know how to apply the Pareto. If you don't know, just watch out the video, you will get the information. This is the secondary procedure, guys, to understand that on what particular parameters, on what that 20% or 80% I need to focus, so that my score will get improved. So this is the secondary part. After getting the result from the CountA, we will do this. Okay, so I thought that I need to explain this, because we cannot go with the assumptions that I need to focus on which 3 or which 5 top parameters. That only we will get with the help of Pareto chart. Okay, so I believe this is very much easy. So I have done this in a row. You can do the same in a column wise as well. So I want to check the overall markdown for Johnny on this particular call, CountA. I will select this specific cell till call opening. I will do bracket close. So I got my answer here. So for this particular call, Johnny got 4 markdowns. So if you calculate in a column where you will get details for this specific call ID, okay, or else unique transaction ID or call ID. But if you do in a row, what you will get overall count for your particular team on which parameter the we got the highest markdown. So I hope this is very easy to understand that how to use of this CountA. So at the end, I will conclude my the entire topic here, that what we have learned today. The first point we have learned using of CountA, how to use CountA. Next we have learned how to calculate overall markdown for my specific parameter. I have also learned this. I have also learned that how to calculate overall markdown for my specific parameter column wise. I have also learned it. And at the end, after getting the result, I have also seen a Pareto chart example to get that on which parameter I need to focus on. So there are multiple videos you have seen, guys, which are always focus on CountA. They will give you a general example, but You know, our basic channel says it's a BPO interview tutorial, so I would only go with the examples which are related to the BPO companies and the process. I hope you guys got a clear understanding. If you still have a doubt, please guys, we have also learned one more thing, that is paste special. So with this particular CountA formula, I have covered multiple things here guys, because this is not a part of this video actually, but I just want to cover it here because you will get a clear understanding that what is need to use CountA and what the result we will get post using the CountA. So this is all about the CountA function, and you can use it in a different way. So whatever type of information you guys are requiring, and please check it multiple times so that you can get this concept very clear. The people who are working as a quality team lead or else trainer, definitely they would get a situation wherein their manager will ask a real-time question to get all the details, that how many parameters got marked down for this particular team lead, so which is the highest parameter got marked down for the month of August till now. So you may get these certain questions, and you guys can get this data very easily with the help of CountA. So any questions, any feedback, if you want to share guys, please share in the comment section, and don't miss to subscribe the channel. It would help me a lot. And please do like, so that I'll get to know that yes, you have watched this particular video, and yes, you guys are supporting me. Thanks a lot guys.